Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Guys, it's been ages, like I can't even say how long, almost like 4 months now. Like I've been off YouTube for some time, but hopefully I'm back, and I'm back for good. Like I'll be able to upload videos regularly. God help me, like God be my help. Anyways guys, in today's video I want to share with you guys 7 tips on how you can get pregnant faster. If you have decided that you want to get pregnant, if you say, okay, I'm ready, I want to get pregnant, this video is for you. Sit back, relax, make sure you watch this video to the end, and then also make sure you share this video, guys. Share, even if you're not trying to get pregnant, you come across this video, share it. You don't know who will come across that's going to be of great help to them. Share this video. Anyways guys, hi, if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Gilly. You're definitely welcome to my channel. For my returning viewers, thank you so much for your love and your support, guys. I see you. Anyways, if you're new here, and do consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of content I'm sharing. You can check them out. Like I have a lot of DIY video, home remedies, and a lot more on my channel. Okay, anyways, like I said before, if you're planning to get pregnant, this is the video for you. I'm going to share 7 tips on how to get pregnant. The first, anyway, I wrote the tips down because when I was like going through this video I wanted to do, and I just said, okay, let me just jot the things down so that I don't forget when I'm doing the video. Okay, so I don't forget the things I want to say when I'm doing the video. So for the first tips I wrote, I say get a preconception checkup. You know, like get a preconception. If you're trying to get pregnant, get a preconception checkup. Like just go to the hospital, check up. You know, like you want to make sure you check. I have a video on like the things you want to check up, the tests you have to do, that you have to do before you get pregnant. I mean, you want to make sure you check your uterus, your womb, your hormones, check for infection, make sure everything is okay with you before you kickstart that journey. And also there are also going to be some supplements, vitamins, which the doctor is going to give you, or you can even buy them over the counter in the pharmacy. Like for me, the most recommended is folic acid. I mean, for me, if you want to get pregnant, start taking folic acid 3 months before. 3 months before you even start planning, because folic acid, guys, is very good. It's going to prevent neonatal defects, especially spinal bifida. And the first 3 months of pregnancy is very, very crucial. So you want to make sure that you already have the folic acid in your system, loaded and packed to overcome all these defects. I mean, you want to make sure that you prepare your body, take folic acid, and there are also some vitamins that contain folic acid. There's also like vitamin D, and like a bunch of vitamins that contain folic acid, but you can just get folic acid. I recommend you just get folic acid. Take 3 months before you plan to get pregnant. It is very, very, very important. Please do not play with your folic acid, guys. Do not play with your folic acid. And the second point I wrote here is, this is very important. You have to know your menstrual cycle. Like if you're trying to get pregnant and you don't know your menstrual cycle, like girl, like seriously, see, like what are you doing? It is very important. I know some people, like they don't even know their cycle. They don't know the length of their cycle, like how many days from the first day of your first period to the first day of the next period, how many days. Some people cycle at 26, 27, 24, 28, 30. You know, you have to know your cycle. When you know your cycle, then you know exactly when you're ovulating, because it's very important you know your ovulation when you're ovulating, because that is when you'll be targeting to get pregnant. And there are also a lot of signs and things that you can actually know. If you like, you can notice when you're ovulating. But if you can also get the ovulation test kit check, to track your ovulation is going to help a great deal. So for me, the second thing you want to do, make sure you know your menstrual cycle. You know your cycle is going to help you a lot, especially during ovulation. So let's go to the third thing. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just going to keep it like short and precise, guys. The third thing is best position for getting pregnant. like this best position of a thing of getting pregnant, there's nothing like best position of getting pregnant, okay? Like yeah, I think there's not like best position. Any position you actually read, best position like when you're having intercourse, right? The best position you can take that will help you to get pregnant. But for me, the only thing is that you don't want to like stand when you're making love, or you don't want to be on top. You don't want to be on top of your spouse when you're making love, right? And for me, I would just say missionary. Just lie down, or you do the other style, like the behind one like that, you know. Because you want to make, because we are looking at the law of gravitation, right? You don't want to stand so it's going to just drop out. So you want to lie down because so that it can travel to the cervix, okay? So that the thing can travel to the cervix. So for me, it's the law of gravitation. So you can either take the missionary or you take the other one like from behind, you know. Avoid being on the top, you know, or sitting or standing while doing it, because it's just going to, everything will just drop out, and we don't want that, because we want it to travel all the way to the cervix and everything. And you also have to know that these things last in the body for 5 days. So I mean, lie down 10 to 15 minutes. By 10 to 15 minutes, it will already get to the cervix. After that, you can stand up and everything. Lie down, it doesn't mean that you have to throw your leg up all the way. Throwing your leg up is not going to help you to get to the cervix, but I mean, yeah, you can put a pillow behind your back to help it to gravitate, because we want the law of gravitation to gravitate, to help you to gravitate to the cervix. Yeah, I think that is, for me, this is what I feel. Okay, guys, I'm just giving you my own tips. And the fourth tips I wrote down here is stay in bed right after having, yeah, the thing where I don't want to mention the name. I don't want that. This is what I even said even before now. Like, you want to make sure you stay in bed 10 to 15 minutes. If you can, 20 minutes. Guys, those days I just stay even 30 minutes. Like, I'll just lie down and sleep. Make sure you don't stand up immediately and go to the restroom. You don't want to go and pee that thing out. Like, even the pressure of the urine, right? Even you can just bring everything out immediately. You need to give yourself time for it to travel through the cervix. You have to go to the cervix. Like, lie down, relax, you know, give yourself time. Give yourself time. So don't get up immediately. It's not going to help you. Make sure you lie down 10 to 15 minutes. It's very okay. After that, you can, I mean, if whatever thing that want to travel must have been there by 10 to 15 minutes, guys, yes. But if you can give yourself extra time like me, girl, 30 minutes, I'll just even take a nap. I wasn't joking. Okay, so for the fifth one is live a healthy life, especially if you're finding it difficult, if you're having difficulty. Even if you're not having difficulty, you're just planning, just live a healthy life. Make sure that you maybe you're exercising, but don't overdo it, because too much exercise also will make you not be able to ovulate, okay? And you also, like, even when you take it, that you don't even know it can even can flush out the pregnancy. So just make sure you live a healthy life, eat the food that can help you to boost your ovulation, exercise moderately, don't overdo it, okay? Just live a healthy life and try to be happy. And for the last one, guys, this one is very important. It seems like it's something that we say it all the time. People feel like, it's easy to say, but to practice is very difficult. But if you can try, avoid stress, avoid stressing yourself, avoid stress. Honestly, we don't know what stress really causes in our body. Stress is like, it's a very simple word, but it has a great impact on our body. If you're stressing yourself, it will be difficult, especially when you're like, and when you try to get pregnant, right, that you're always like stressing yourself about the pregnancy and all that. It's not going to help you. Just relax. relax, okay? At the end of the day, make sure you pray, believe in God, have faith. Like I always say, have faith, because guys. And then that's it, guys. I just wanted to share this video with you guys, and hopefully I'm going to be dropping videos regularly. God be my helper. God help me. Anyways, I see you again in my next one. So have a great day. Bye.